Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever it is where you are. John Harder here, aka WealthWiz. An update for CoinsEagle. And so the title of this update is just simply CoinsEagle Update, How to Trade Crypto and Profit. All right, so on the blog post where I'm going to be sharing this video on the update, the blog post update, I'm going to also give you a short, just a short overview or a short clip of just a little introduction to trading. Now, there's a link that I also put on the blog post where you can watch a video that Randy Wilson did yesterday, I believe, and it gives you an overview in more detail than what I'm showing you here. All I want to do in this video to show you a little bit, and now of course this is, I haven't checked this coin in a few days, but I bought some coin a while ago, and I have kind of just hung on to it because basically because since we started getting the updates, or not updates, but the reports from Python Signals from Marius Landman, okay, through Python Signals. I had bought this coin a little bit before that, actually. It was a couple of weeks before that, and it had already tripled in price, and also come down a couple of times a little bit, and I just kind of hung on to it, and I still have it, and I don't know what it has been doing now as of late, but I'm going to just go to that coin and show you and myself, I guess, basically, to see where that coin is at right now. So I'm just going to actually log into that account, to that, because I have to verify it by phone and stuff like that. So because of that, I'm going to just kind of do that while I'm still talking here. And that way I don't have to bore you as much by having you wait while I log in to that. But what happened yesterday, and if you got my email yesterday, I was planning on doing a live, like a presentation last night, and with the questions and answers afterwards, which I wasn't able to do because my internet shut down just about first thing yesterday afternoon, and I didn't get any internet back until late last night. And so it kind of put me in a spot where I wasn't able to do what I had planned to do. So I apologize for not showing up to do my presentation. For those of you who probably, you know, who came and were going to you know, support me or watch my presentation, or whatever reason you may have come, it just didn't work out. So, and I was kind of hoping to myself that somebody from on our team would take over. I don't know if they did. I don't don't know if anybody did, but I was kind of hoping that. I don't really want Spanish. Not that I can't handle the Spanish, but I would rather have it in English. So it's a bit slow, so we got to give it a little bit of time here for it to catch up on the last few clicks that I did. All right, I think we're getting there. Still loading though. All right, so okay, so it's looks like we're getting there bit by bit, and like they would say in Spanish, poco a poco, lo vamos a hacer. Okay, so very soon here the Google verification will be aha. All right, so now we'll get this phone verification message here. There we go. All right, let's just okay, so and I gotta do it from still an email yet too, because we gotta be very sure that this is everything is correct. All right, so just sorry about that. It just loads slow, and there's all these steps. Okay, we'll get there. Okay, so wow. All right, so I think we're almost there. Yeah, I think so. Getting very, very close here. That we'll be able to do that. So now I'm gonna, if we can share the screen, hopefully that'll work. Okay, so I think we're pretty much have that as well. All right, so okay. Oh, I thought I already did all that. All right. Okay, now let's do it again. Okay, so we've got to log in again. I'm not sure what the deal is, but now we've got to do it again. So here we are. Oh no. So we got all right, so okay, I think we've gone through all the steps that we needed to go. And so now what we want to do is I'm going to just go to WalletShoe, because I just want to show you what that coin has been doing, because I don't actually even know. The coin that I had bought was Spain, okay? Here it tells us what the value of the coin is in US dollars. Now, what I spent was it was about $19 is about what I spent in that coin in buying this year coin, 31 or 131K. It was around $19 or just under 20 anyways that I paid for it, and so right now it's sitting at $56.62. When you consider having spent $20 and now it's 56, it's pretty good. Although it was at $70 already, just over 70 at one point. So, but that was before Bitcoin went kind of way down there for a bit, and it's now going back up, in which this 56 year, I expect it's going to be well over $100, possibly more like $200 before even too long. That is why where I expect that it's going to go. But we'll see as I keep an eye on what Python Signals is the reports, as I keep on reading the reports that Python Signals gives us access to, I might end up selling it, you know, before it goes that high, because it may be more profitable for me to put it into a different coin eventually. So we'll see where that leads. But this is what I'm saying with Python Signals, where we have the advantage of you know, getting those reports that tell us what you know, where the profits are to be made in cryptocurrency. Now, if you're very, very new to the space and you don't have any idea where these profits come from, when we're, you know, this idea of trading, well, they come from buying low and selling high. And it's called crypto trend and cycle trading. Okay, so the trend and the cycle, the meaning of that just simply is because when a coin is on its way up, it's got an upward trend, meaning that it's got these tiny little ups and downs, but its trend is basically upward. But then often they turn around and all of a sudden they plummet very quick, or sometimes it's sort of a downward trend, during which time you want to be out of the market. Because if you ride your coin down that trend, you're losing your profits while the coin is going down. So what you want to do is you want to sell out and preserve your profits at the top, and then you let the whole thing ride down. And then once it starts turning back upwards, that's when you buy back in and ride the wave up again. That is where the profits are in crypto trading. Okay. So I wanted to share this with you, just so that you know, if you're brand new to this space, which I know very many people are, I knew about Bitcoin or crypto about 3 years before I got involved. But had I, you know, and then when I did get involved, actually, you know, I really didn't make that much money because I didn't have any guidance as far as what is the market going to do. We can always see what the market did, but it's kind of late. It's kind of late when once the coin goes down, you want to sell when everybody sells. Okay, you know, you're gonna you know, you might still be able to sell, even though if it is on a downward trend, but it's not that easy to sell then, because everybody wants to sell, right? So what you want to do is you want to know ahead of time when it's going to turn down, and you want to get out just before it does, because it's easy to sell at that point because it's still on its upward way, but you're getting out just before it starts going down. And you can only do that if you know ahead of time what it's going to do. And that is what Python Signals gives us. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you in this update. And tonight, again, providing my internet is going to be up as last night, as I mentioned earlier in this video, it failed me, so I wasn't able to come on. But if all things considered, I'm planning to do that presentation tonight. I do one actually every weeknight. So tonight will be Friday night. I don't expect to be doing one tomorrow and Sunday, but unless something comes up that I do one tomorrow afternoon or something, that could happen. But other than that, I won't be doing one over the weekend, but on Monday, I expect to be on again. But I'll also, again, do a report during the day so that everybody can kind of, you know what's going on. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and if you want to learn more about Python Signals and know how, what we have, what the program does, and so on, well, just attend my presentation tonight. After the presentation, we will also do a question and answer session. So just attend there and learn about it all you need or you want to know about it. All right, thank you so much, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you.